grip really hits me good. We're gonna drive out to Burnaby today just to pick up some shit. Some shoes. You dig? Waiting. Been waiting. Bruh, where is he? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we got another video for you guys today. Yeah. With all the hype surrounding this, you know I had to get my hands on these, you know? So you guys already know. Jordan 6 box. You dig? You guys can see it from up top. Alright, so without further ado, guys, let's get right into this, you know? So, you guys can tell this is a medium olive. Oh shit. Hold up. Forgot a little doobie. Hey, Rockstar. Let's get rolling before we start the video, man. And do the unboxing. So, in the meantime, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Subscribe, and also give me a thumbs up, man, if you guys like this video. Before we even start, put some Funko Pop in the middle too. Cause shout out to HYPEST, man, for getting my first Funko Pop. Really appreciate it. We are done. Rolling that. Get that out of the way. Before we get to the unboxing, guys, I just want to say this fucking shoe. Well, as you guys know, there was a lot of hype around it. This was supposed to release last month. A month later, which is October 11th or some shit, like a week ago. So it released about a week ago. Most of you guys that follow me on Instagram, you guys must know that I didn't get him for retail. I was looking, I was actually offering people some money for it, but you know, a lot of fuckeries around. And it's all good, it's all good. I still got my pair. One of them at least. So, that being said, guys, I'm gonna put down my doobie. One more fucking hit before we unbox some shit. In terms of all the Travis Scott's collab, I would put this at number 3. Jordan 1's highs being number 1. Air Force 1's either color because they kind of look the same to me. And then this goes to the number 3 would be the 6's. At least in my opinion. I've said it multiple times, I never liked the 4's because of the Houston Oilers colorway. I'm not really a fan of that. So, gladly pass on those. With the 6's though, that olive green, yeah, I can fuck with it. I mean, if the friends and family 4's, the olive green or dark gray, whatever the fuck it is that comes out, yo, 3 pairs minimum, bro. 3 pairs. With this, I go 2 only. I could go for 3, but gotta be for the right price, you know, because we've seen the market dip on this shit. A lot of people are my way. We're hoping that it was gonna hit just like the Travis Scott 1 highs. Well, I've said it multiple times. Not a lot of people can fuck with the 6's. Not a lot of people can rock the 6's, is what I mean. You know, it's a bulky shoe, but with that being said, guys, and I'm gonna put this doobie down and do a fucking proper unboxing for you guys and let you guys know exactly what the fuck I think about this shit. One more fucking hoop. Let's get it. As you guys can see, it's just the Jordan box. Medium olive, like dark green top. You know, we got the Cactus jock on one side and the Jumpman on the other. So you guys can see here. Let's get into this. You know, quality check. You gotta have the sticker on there to make sure they know it's legit. Bam. The Travis Scott 6's, bro. let me get this shit out of the way. Comes with 2 laces, guys. 2 laces. Yellow and like dark green or some shit. Dark gray. First impression, let's just say very clean. Oh shit, this is fucking sick. Not bad. Quality is alright, man. I mean, fuck. Like here on the back, at least on the left side. You know, you guys see that on top right here. Yeah. You see that overview? Yeah. Yeah. Overall, what do I think about them? The colorway's sick. I like the colorways. It's not too dark. I mean, could have been darker, man. I don't know, but could have been darker. I'm gonna lie. I wish it was a little bit darker. Quality, nah. Let me bring out my infrared 6's. Here's the infrared 6's. I did buy 2 pairs. You know, double up gang. There's my worn pair, and yes, I guess you could say these are a little bit better than this shit, because these, I do like this. I do prefer this over the Travis Scott 6's, but anyways, quality wise, and not bad. You know, the bottom sole, I guess it goes in the dark as well. I'm not gonna, it's pretty cool effect, I guess, but I do like the fact that they have a different type of material on there. That's pretty clean, bro. That's clean. Like, different material, and Cactus jack on this as well. And I guess they have the Cactus jack on the lace locks. The tongue is a little bit distressed on here. That's pretty sick. I fuck with that. You know. It says Nike here on the back on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side it says Cactus jack. So for those of you guys didn't see that, there it is. Big. In terms of the pocket, man, what do I gotta say about this? Let's get a nugget out. Let's see. I don't know why they would put that, but let's put this one in there, I guess. Let's put it in and see what if it even fits in there. You dig? Let's see this shit. So there it is. It fits perfectly. It's perfectly fine. Like, bro. That's where I'm gonna stash one nugget. I do like the little feature right like that, but I feel like every time I pull it out, I'm gonna rip out the button on it. And they do have that Cactus jack face on the inside of it, so that's where I put my little nugget. What do I think about the shoe? What do I think about the shoe? Well, first of all, the colorway is sick. The material's not bad. I mean, you can literally rub your hand on there and then see change colors, basically, you know? Like, pretty sick, man, not gonna lie. That's why I needed to double up on this so I can beat one and wear the other one. This was actually not a bad pair. This is a really clean pair, not gonna lie. So I'm waiting to see if I can get another pair before I break this shit out. So, what do I think about it? Is it worth the fucking hype? What do they go for right now? I think they're going for like $1,100, $1,200 for size 10. I'm not really sure, man. Maybe 9 or 1,000 maybe. Let's see. Let's just check this out. So on gold, it's going for like $940 right now, without shipping. StockX got it for, this is in Canadian, which is 1,200 Canadian right now, so it's about size 10, so about 9'10", a little bit lower on StockX. So I got this locally, and I'm quite happy about the price, I guess, but I wish it was a little bit lower. But I had to give you guys the fucking review, man, what I think about the fucking shoe ASAP. You know, is it worth the hype? I guess if you like Travis Scott and you like the 6's and the shoes, sure, it's worth the fucking hype, man. Like I actually like the colorway so much to a point where like you'd see me wear this, the black jeans or some shit, right? Like this is sick, fucking sick. So with that being said, guys, I don't want to get this too long. I don't want to make this too long. I'll give you guys an on-feet review, on-feet look later on, whatever, on Instagram, whatever the fuck it is. I don't really do that right now because I don't have my second pair. Right? So until then, until I secure a second pair, these are not going on feet yet. So no on-feet shots yet, but you'll see some pictures on Instagram. So if you guys haven't been following me on Instagram, yo, go right ahead, man. Go follow me soon. Doesn't take that long. And also do subscribe here, man. And give me a thumbs up to this video, bro. With that being said, guys, peace.